Hey everybody, Jennifer here, and today I'm going to be doing a music video reaction to Ikon's Airplane. So I just got done doing the Ikon Rhythm Ta music video reaction, and there wasn't anything special about the music video, just me thinking that they were going to be forming a basketball team. But I'm hoping that this video shows a little bit more pizzazz. Is YG a pizzazz place? I don't know. Anyway, let's get started. So, let's see if I can find the bias in this one. No, not really. Please for the love of God, don't form another bias. I am too broke to have 50,000 biases. Okay, let's go. Play. Airplane, rated 12, Mnet, okay. We got an airplane. That's a good airplane. Okay, he's holding an airplane. Okay. Is he on a runway? Because that's kind of scary. Don't be on a runway. Why is he being angsty over a toy airplane? Okay. His hair is really fluffy. Aww. Aww. What is she trying to do? Aww. Bobby, are you the second guy in this? That makes me laugh. But that's because I fall for the second guy in most dramas. Don't be the second guy. Aww. Are they just abandoning him? Yeah, they were abandoning him. Aww. He's cute. Okay. Okay. Like, why is the stylist dressing them all in hats and stuff in that one scene? I can't tell who is who. Alright. Let's see. Aww. Okay, so it's a love triangle, I think. At least it's only two boys fighting over one girl instead of like all of them fighting over her. You're such an idiot. Aww. I like how they didn't show the skateboard that they were on. Like, how bad are they at skating? Like, did they need someone to pull them? Like, I would love to see behind the scenes of that if that really happened, because that would be hysterical. Aww. They're all babies. Ah, got a plane ticket. How did she not see that? That was like that was the least, that was the worst, being sneaky moment I've ever seen. Like, you're horrible at it. Aww. Trying to find a girl. You know, in America, he wouldn't be able to do that. Like, just to even get in the terminal, you need a ticket. Like, I don't know how it is in Korea, but... Oh my god, pause. Okay, overall I'm not really impressed with that song. Like, I didn't really enjoy it. Yeah, not much I can say. I like Rhythm Ta a lot better than that, but the music videos really are not impressing me. I guess like I expect more out of YG and their artists, and I'm too Big Bang biased and they always come out with amazing music videos, but I just I don't like their videos. Like, maybe their next comeback will be better. Yeah, I just didn't like the video. I don't know why I don't know, I just didn't like it. So yeah. Anyway, if you guys liked my reaction, just like, comment, and subscribe down below for future content. And I do take music video requests, so if you want me to react to something, comment down below. I will react to it. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!